In this video, I'm going to do a file level restore for the Veeam Agent for Mac. I go to my Launchpad and I launch Veeam Agent for Mac. And before I do this, let me actually go over here to this Veeam folder and just delete the PDF that's in here, just to make this a good real live example. So I'll move it to the trash, come down here to the trash can, empty the trash, confirm. Okay, it's gone. Now I'm going to pick my latest restore point and I'm going to click on Open Backup. And I'll give it just a moment, and then I'm just going to browse inside of the backup to the profile folder. The profile in this case is new user on my desktop, that Veeam folder, and there's that presentation that I just deleted. I'll restore it back to its rightful location. You can see there in the window that it just showed back up again. I'll go ahead and open this file just to show you that it's a real file. And it's really that simple. Thanks a lot.